Eating healthy but still gaining weight? You're not weak. You're being led by marketing. Today I'll show 4 healthy mistakes sellers rarely say out loud. And mistake 4 is the most important because it happens before you eat, right when you buy. Stay to the end. It'll show why you fall for the other 3. For credibility, this is based on research on liquid calories, the healthy halo, and serving size tricks that quietly triple calories. And if you like reading labels without drama, hit subscribe so next time you won't stare at granola like a utility bill. Let's begin. Mistake 1, drinking healthy instead of eating healthy. You think you're drinking a salad, but many smoothies, juices or liquid dessert. Liquid calories go in fast, no chewing, weak fullness signals. So you get hungry again and eat back. Research on liquid calories shows the body often compensates poorly when calories come from drinks. Example, banana mix, milk mix, peanut butter mix, honey mix, granola topping. Sounds healthy, but the result is sugar wearing yoga pants. Quick fix. Choose whole fruit first. If you drink it, make it a real meal. Add protein and fiber, reduce toppings. If you think that was a scam, the next one is a legal scam. Mistake 2. Low-fat, fat-free is often sweeter and easier to overeat. Shock part. Many low-fat foods must make up flavor, and the fastest way is sweeter or easier to eat. The light label feels safe, so you scoop more with zero guilt. The science in simple biology and behavior, less fat can make food less satisfying, so formulas often compensate. And the health halo effect makes your brain loosen portions. Examples, 0% yogurt, but sweet, light dressing, fitness cereal. Quick fix, check these 3 first. Serving size, protein, added sugar. Don't stare at low fat only. But those 2 mistakes still happen in the kitchen. Mistake 3 happens in your hand, 1 handful at a time. Mistake 3, dangerous healthy snacks. Nuts, granola, nut butter. I call it small but mighty. Do you believe it? 1 mindless handful can turn a snack into a high-calorie mini meal. How do I know this? Reviews highlight a common concern. Nuts are energy dense, so people suspect weight gain if portions aren't controlled. But meta-analyses show nuts don't necessarily increase body fat. I'm not demonizing nuts, and you're not wrong for eating them. You're wrong because a handful has no definition. Nuts can be great and not cause weight gain when they replace something else. The problem is most people eat them like, I'll add this because it's healthy. Example, granola keeps sprinkling until it becomes bowl 2. 1 spoon of peanut butter becomes 3 spoons. Quick fix, nuts are seasoning. Pre-portion them. Pair with protein to stay full longer. Okay, if you have all 3, you'll think, I'll just be more careful in the kitchen. But the biggest mistake isn't in the kitchen, it's in the grocery store. Mistake 4, final boss. Hypnotized by labels, no added sugar, keto, high protein, gluten-free. The first 3 are eating wrong. Mistake 4 is buying wrong. And when you buy wrong, you automatically eat wrong. No added sugar can still use fruit concentrates, fast digesting starches, or keto, but high energy. High protein can still be protein candy. And here's the classic scam, serving size. A pack can say 120 calories, but that's 1/3 of the pack. You eat the whole pack? Congrats. You just tripled it in silence. You doubt it? The American Heart Association explains, no added sugar means no sugar added in processing, but products can still have natural sugar or alternative sweeteners. The FDA tells you to start with serving size and servings per container because many people misunderstand labels. And the FDA has a food labeling guide for claims and labeling. Examples, protein bars, keto cookies, sweet protein yogurt, gluten-free snacks. Quick fix. Remember the 4-step rule, stupid simple, but it works. Servings per container. How many servings in the whole pack? 2. Calories per serving. How many calories per serving? 3. Protein. Low protein, but fit. Marketing equals be careful. 4. Added sugar or total carbs if needed. The louder the label, the more you read the small print. You don't lack discipline, you're just being led by marketing. Comment label if you want part 2. I'll grab 10 healthy items and read labels with you. What's worth it? And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.